Hi everybody and welcome to Teri's Crafty Christmas. This is a flip through video, as you can tell by the flip through board being out. And so I'm just going to go through this sheet really quick, and for all of the other details you can go to my December 1st welcome video at the Sweet Pea Papers YouTube channel, and you can also watch this whole series on Blue Christmas. And you will see the video in the beginning of the video, some information as well, the abbreviated version of what's in the hello and welcome video on December the 1st. So Teri's Crafty Christmas runs from December 1st through December 25th. There's 33 collaborators now, I believe, and more than 50 videos. There's 5 Facebook groups and 5 drawings at the end of the month, which is the 28th. For us is going to be the 28th of December on a Sunday. And there's going to be free challenge papers available at the LineDotArrow Junk Journal Group Facebook group every Saturday for the first 3 Saturdays of the month. Actually, the first one is on December 1st, which is a Sunday, and then the rest of them are available on the following Saturdays. Okay, so that's all we're going to go through on this particular video. Now, I did use, let me show you real quick. I did use the Blue Christmas kit. There's like a red Christmas kit available as well at the LineDotArrow Etsy shop, and it is called The Magic of Christmas, and it predominantly has reds, but the blue Christmas kit is the one that I used for this project. Okay, so here we go. Here's our little book, and we have our little reindeer charm on the front. We have our CD cover that opens. We have some ephemera here and season's greetings up there. And that was before we started adding the extra touches to the words. So when you open this, you have an acetate belly band with a card. And then you have the word blessing with the extra stuff on this image. Then this also opens this way. And you have the word abundance with the extra goodies. And then in here I placed a piece of stationery, which is one of the kit papers that I printed out on 20-pound copy paper. And that makes it into a stationery thickness of paper. This also opens up to this and to this. Okay, so it opens both ways. Page 2 is this really cute envelope with the word Nutcracker on it and some of my favorite lace trim, which is the one with the ivy on it. This is held on by 2 Velcro dots. You take it off and there's an envelope, and inside is a card. Then you just place these back on the dots in some sort of a straight fashion. And then it'll stick right back on there. On this page we have 2 pockets. Each one has obviously a tag in it. We got some lace and some ribbon on each one, and we have a little cluster up here with that white paper lace behind it. This is the center spread, and on each one of these we have the words with the cream colored lace this time with the white paper lace. And the reason I call it paper lace is that it looks like this when you buy it, and it looks like a lace. Where's the end of it? It looks like a lace, but it's made out of paper. Now you can probably find it in the bridal section on Amazon because they use it to wrap the stems on bridal bouquets mainly. Okay, so here's our center spread, and it's 2 doors that open inward, so they're going to open inward and meet. And here's a writing area, and here's an area with a pocket, and here's the area I forgot to add ephemera to, but I will. Same thing on this side, only this side has a bigger tag and another writing area. Then on the next page, excuse me, sorry about that. As you know, my medicine alarm always goes off during a video, even though I've already taken my medicine right before I started filming. This one is a flip down. We get the word holly on here with some ribbon. And then on here we have a little bit of lace and a piece of ephemera. Then it folds down one more time. And this is the piece of ephemera that covers the magnet. And then we have the word Noel with some of the paper lace. And it folds back up when we have this nifty image here. And you could write along here if you'd like. This side over here has acetate belly band with some lace and a ribbon on it. We have a card in here. It has the word Mary on it. And when you flip it over, it also has an acetate belly band with a piece of the stationery. The reason it's upside down is because the writing is upside down in reference to this page, because I thought the paper went this way, but when I did that, it made the back upside down because this is really the bottom of the paper, but I didn't want to put it over that. You see my reasoning? Okay. So that's why that's the way it is. Then on the last page, we have our Santa's list envelope, and inside is going to be some stationery with the naughty and nice list. Up here we have a cute little Santa, and this flips over into a little writing area. Okay, and then that goes back here, and then we've got our big flap held on by a magnet with the word Santa's list, like I said before, on it. And then we have our snowflake images on the top and the bottom. Okay, so that's it for this flip through, and I will see you in the next video series, which is going to be the magic of Christmas. I don't know why I can't remember that. I just keep thinking Red Christmas, but it's going to be the magic of Christmas. And I believe we're going to do a folio, a Christmas folio for that. So stay tuned for that. That'll be the next series. I'm doing these on Monday, Wednesday, Friday this month, with a couple of exceptions. Christmas Eve and Sunday the 1st are 2 examples. Yeah. So I will see you in the next video, which will be the next day of the week. That's a Monday, Wednesday, or a Friday. All right. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video series. And now you're going to see my hand as I click on the link to stop the video, because I have a new computer set up and there's no other way to do it. See you later.